Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add products to the drop-down menu on Shopify efficiently and effectively. Whether you're setting up a new store or simply updating your existing inventory, organizing your products for easy access can greatly enhance your customer shopping experience. A clean, simple main menu not only improves usability, but it can also boost conversions by making it easier for customers to find what they want. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step. To begin, after logging into your Shopify admin, navigate your attention to the left panel. This is your control center, where you'll see various options. From this list, go ahead and click on Online Store. As you click, a submenu will appear, presenting you with additional options. One of these options is Navigation. This section contains all the menu settings that allow you to organize your store's layout. The way you structure your navigation can influence how long people stay on your site and how many pages they explore, so it's worth taking the time to do it right. After selecting navigation, you'll notice a list of available menus. Since we're focusing on adding a product to our Shopify store's main menu, click on the main menu option. When the main menu settings appear, you will see all your existing menu items. Now, to add a new product to this menu, locate the Add Menu Item button. This is typically in the upper right section of the menu settings page. Click on this button, and a new menu item field will appear. Here, you are going to enter the name of the product you wish to add. Remember, the name of the menu item should be clear and easily recognizable to your customers. Avoid using internal product codes or vague descriptions, as you want your customers to find what they're looking for quickly. Clear naming also helps with SEO, giving your product a better chance of being discovered through search engines. Once you've named the menu item, it's time to link it to your product. To do this, select the link field right next to the name you've entered. A drop-down menu will appear displaying different types of links you can use. In the drop-down, you should see an option for products. Select this and then browse through your list of products to find the one you want to link. If you're managing multiple product variants, you may want to create a collection instead. That way, customers can view all related options from one menu item. After carefully choosing the correct product, make sure to click the Add button. This action will finalize your selection, officially adding the product to your main menu. Don't forget to click Save after adding your product. This is a crucial step, otherwise all your hard work might be lost and the product won't appear in your store's menu as intended. Lastly, to ensure everything looks as it should, go ahead and refresh your store's webpage. What you'll find is that your store's main menu will now feature a direct link to the product you added. This makes it easy for your customers to navigate directly to the product page through your drop-down menu. Before wrapping up, here are a few pro tips to improve your Shopify store even further. Make sure your most popular products or collections are easily accessible in the main menu. Avoid overloading your navigation with too many options. Aim for simplicity. Consider using collections for product categories to keep your store neatly organized. Review your menu layout on mobile, since the majority of shoppers browse using their phones. And that's all there is to it. This simple process can make a significant difference in making your Shopify store more user-friendly and accessible. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your online store's navigation and shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any Shopify questions you'd like me to cover next.